Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add, reorder, and nest pages in Google Sites. Now do not worry if this is your first time using this software, you're not very proficient in using this website, or if you're just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now before we get started, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in a Google Sites file in which I have taught you on how to create one, on how you can change its layout, and many more. And if you're interested in watching those tutorials, I actually have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sites tutorial on our YouTube channel. And we also have a specific video, which is a beginner's guide when it comes to using Google Sites, in which we already covered all the basic features and functions of Google Sites, so you might want to check it out. Now, let us get started to the agenda of this video. To insert or add a page on your Google Sites, all you have to do is to focus on the right sidebar of your screen, in which you can see the Pages tab. Click on it, and as you can see right here, you got the plus icon. Click on that one, and as you can see, this tab will pop up. And from here, you want to add a name on your new page. Let's say, for example, about. And as you can see, it will pop up on the navigation bar right over here. Let's say, for example, I want contact us, articles, what else? I don't know. Let's say, for example, let's keep it this way. Now, for instance, I would like to change its order. Now that we have created multiple pages, I want the contact us page to be at the very bottom and the articles above the contact us. How can we do that? Click on the contact us page and then drag it down like so. And now, as you can see, it is now below the articles, and we have just successfully reordered them. Now, let's say, for example, under Contact Us, I want to nest a specific page that is named Email, Maps, Telephone Number. Now, nesting means that everything right here, we have the telephone number, maps, and email will be under the parent of the nest, which will be Contact Us. So it will be some sort of group. Now all I have to do is to click on the page that I would like to nest and drag it on top of this one. And now, as you can see, if I drag email and maps as well, it will create some sort of nesting right here. And as you can see, we have now a drop down right over here, in which we can access the telephone number, the maps, and the email directly from the Contact Us tab on our navigation bar. So it creates some sort of drop down on our navigation bar. As simple as that, we can do all of those things on our pages. We can add another page, we can reorder the page, and we can nest the page just like that. And that wraps it up for today's video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and comment down below what you would like to see from us next. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.